Good morning to all. My name is K. Harish. I study in second standard A section. Bhagavad Gita. Maybe not possible. It's possible. It's possible. When you take everything else away. Thank you. I will come. Good morning to all. My name is M.B. Ritwik. I am studying second standard. Bible. Do as you good heaven. Do you? Quran. Pizza. Good morning to all. My name is Pizza. I am studying second standard A section. Quran. And the future will be better for you than the first. Thank you. Yes, Rudrapriya. Morning to all. My name is S. Rudrapriya. I am studying second standard A section. Tirukural. குடியாறு இருப்படுவது அத்திரா குடியது குடியரும் மற்ற பொருள் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெரிய உரிமை குற்றமாகும். மற்ற எல்லா செல்வாரும் பொருளாகாது. தேங்க்யூ. Morning to all. My name is T. Dalashi. I am studying second standard A section. Proverb. When you fall like a seed. When you rise like a tree. விழுந்தால் விதை போல் விழு, எழுந்தால் மரத்தை போல் விழு. Thank you. Thought of the day. Kevin. Good morning to all. My name is K. Kevin Perry. I study second standard A section. Thought of the day. Focus on the stairs. When the few heart of food taught us. Thank you. Unit of time. Health of sun. Good morning to all. My name is Health of sun. I am studying second standard A section. Unit of time. 1 minute 60 seconds. 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 day 24 hours. 1 week 7 days. 1 year 365 days. 1 year 12 months. Thank you. Opposite word. Yalini. Good morning to all. My name is Biyani. I am studying second standard A section. Opposite word. Come, go, up, down. Small, big, tall, short, happy, sad, yes, no, thank you. Hindi beaming of Fatima. Good morning to all. My name is Dean of Fatima. I am studying second standard A section Hindi. இப்பொழுது ஆஜ் இன்று கல் நேற்று கப் எப்பொழுது பார் நிறைய யா இது பார் பேச்சு. தேங்க்யூ.